All right, guys, we're going to be checking out some issues. This track is called Rain. It was requested by Devin. Let's give it a listen.
2, 3, 4. You're the kind of person whose cup is half empty, and I can't stand the thought of the laughs that we never share. Don't want to think of the bad, but there's plenty. If I have a parade, I know you'll be there. Rain, go away. I see it wait for you to change, but you never change, never change. Why the hell is it raining so much? Why are you always clouding my mind? Why the hell is it raining so much? I'm just trying to have a good time. Somebody said lighten up, it sounds easy, but you haven't had any sun in a while.
This is a little bit Swan chorus. Contagious groove.
Why are you always clouding my mind? Why the hell is it raining so much? I'm just trying to have a good time.
Ooh, the voice is incredible as always.
We'll let it wash you out of my mind. Why the hell is it raining so much? I'm just trying to have a good time.
Oh yeah, that bass is just resonating.
Why the hell is it raining so much? Why are you always clouding my
That was sick.
mind? Why the hell is it raining so much? I'm just trying to have a good time. Have a good time.
That so feel good. Oh my goodness.
Why are you always clouding my mind? Why the hell is it raining so much? I'm just trying to have a good time. Have a good time. This time I will let it wash you out of my mind. Let it wash you out of my mind. Why the hell is it raining so much? I'm just trying to have a good time.
Oh man. Oh.
I see it for you to change.
Getting up there. Wow. Holy moly, man. that was such like a contagious, like feel good kind of groove. Oh my goodness. Little hints of like some kind of like swancore elements in there, kind of how I felt about it anyways, with the lead guitar and that bass really sticking out. That was really cool. Vocals sexy, so high, so clean, so satisfying, just beautiful. Nice chorus, like super catchy, very feel good, very upbeat. What more can you say about that? That was just awesome. Put you in a good mood. Groovin'. My goodness, that was awesome.
What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.